exposing the secrets in keeping your Pico 4 Ultra lenses spotless. You'll never guess how simple it can be. First, gather your supplies. Grab a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth, a lens pen, and some compressed air. Trust me, paper towels are your lens's worst enemy. Next, prepare your workspace. Find a clean, well-lit surface and wash your hands thoroughly. No one wants greasy fingerprints on their lenses, right? Time to clean. If there's dust, use compressed air or the brush end of the lens pen to gently remove it. Then take your microfiber cloth and wipe in a circular motion. Be gentle. No need to flex those muscles here. For stubborn smudges, use the lens pen's cleaning tip. Inspect the lenses, any streaks. Repeat if needed. Lastly, clean regularly and store your Pico 4 Ultra properly. Avoid harsh chemicals and consult the manufacturer's guidelines if in doubt. And there you go. Crystal clear lenses for an immersive VR experience.